Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is the Rokid AR Joy 2 Augmented Reality Glasses. I can have augmented reality glasses anywhere I go. The beach is my favorite place to go and hang out. I can also take them to a coffee shop and do some work, and they're also great for traveling. I had to go on a train trip recently. Rokid has put together the Max 2 AR glasses and the Rokid Station. The Rokid Station is the world's first Google-certified portable Android TV device for your AR glasses. It's going to bring your streaming and your gaming apps from Google Play and also your viewing options right into your glasses for whatever you want to watch. And these glasses are so lightweight. They weigh less than 3 ounces, which is less than 1/5 of a pound on your face, which makes them so comfortable. Let me give you a demonstration right in my kitchen. With the Rokid Station, you just turn it on with a switch on the side. The light will turn blue and the screen will light up so you can view whatever you want. I want you to notice in my kitchen, the background. We have a lot of white, we have red curtains, we've got a window. There's all kinds of busyness in my kitchen's background. It's an indoor setting, and looking through the screen now, look what I see. I see a clear picture in bright, vivid colors. For this demonstration, let me just show you some of my YouTube videos. I know the color crispness and the clarity I have with my YouTube videos. So here I am watering my garden outside. Look at how pretty this is with me hosing down some plants and watering. This is my whole garden. Here are other pieces of this video I put out of my garden. You can see my yard. Look at the greens, look at the flowers, look at the colors. Look at me in my outfit. And here's one with me with my front yard grass. The colors are outstanding, and this is against that background in my kitchen. Let me show you the feature of the brightness. Here I am touching it to bring it up. Here we go. Now you can see on the picture behind me it getting brighter and brighter and brighter. And this is just by touching a button on the leg on the glasses on the right side. There's 5 brightness levels. And if you hold it down, you can switch it from regular to 3D. And you can use that for gaming. Now for this demonstration, I just have to use a camera with one lens through one of the lenses here. But trust me, looking through both those lenses gives you that 3D effect. And what's awesome is, if you are nearsighted and need reading glasses, there's an adjustment right on these Rokids for that. So I decided to use a search bar so I can show you letters so you can see what I'm talking about. No eye chart here, just letters from the search bar. Here I am adjusting it. This is brilliant. And as I rotate this dial, you can see the letters moving forwards or backwards, coming into focus or out of focus. That's what happens when you rotate the dial to get exactly the vision correction you need for these glasses. And check out how the speaker works. There's an icon that looks like a head. And when you see that, that's what you're going to adjust for the speaker volume. In privacy mode, you have them on and you're listening to them. You can have an adjustment for louder or less. And in privacy mode, if you take them off, nobody's going to hear what you're listening to within the video. You can even attach earbuds wirelessly with Bluetooth to these, so it's completely silent, so you're not going to disturb anybody around you with whatever video you're watching or game. And with the head symbol, there's also a clear mode, and that can be adjusted too. And that's when you hear it right through the temples of your Rokid Max 2 glasses. And if you take it off, you'll still hear the audio slightly through the temples. Your kids can even wear these to watch cartoons. That'll keep them entertained in places where you don't want them fussing. So check out this very bright sunny day in my backyard. The Rokid Max 2 AR glasses come with a special shade in case you're in bright sunlight. They have thought of the brightest of lighting situations, so you'll still have excellent viewing with bright lights in the background or coming right at you. It's a plastic shield that fits right over the glasses. They snap right in. So when you put your glasses on, it will block out the bright sunlight so you can see clearly through the programming you want to watch. For instance, here's a cartoon that I can see really clearly now. Without the blackout cover, the image was not as crystal clear. There it is without the blackout cover, looking at my yard, this really cute cartoon, and now here is with the blackout cover going right on it. What a difference that makes to block out the rays of the sun. And here I am unsnapping the blackout cover. Here I am snapping it back on. Simple as that. What a special accessory. They go on and off, and nobody looking at you could tell that you have that blackout cover on. It's not going to make you look weird if you're to be out in public. I love my days at the beach in Santa Barbara. This is Hendry's Beach. The display has a 50-degree field of vision. That's 50-degree FOV. And that means I can watch my programming and still see what's going on in my environment. So here I am, away from any Wi-Fi, at the beach, watching the program I want to watch with the beautiful beach before me and that 50-degree field of vision, and hearing through the temples the terrific hi-fi level sound quality, even over the crashing waves that I hear at the beach. The excellent sound quality overrides that, so that's mainly what I hear. Although if something were to happen in my environment, I would be alerted, which is great about the sound being located on the flex temples. Oh, and here's a shot of some sports. I'd put the blackout cover on so you can see the difference. My Rokid AR Joy 2 system is terrific, and the Rokid Max 2 AR glasses are so comfortable. I can relax in any position and they stay securely on my face. It's great to take these everywhere with me. I especially like them hanging out at the beach. And I am thrilled to have my Rokid AR Joy 2s for travel. The travel case holds everything. Here are the Rokid 2 AR glasses, and here is the Rokid station. Neatly packed. There's also the charging cable. So taking the whole kit on a trip is easy. Public transportation can give you a ton of wait time. Trains can be delayed, so it's great to have my Rokid AR Joy 2 viewing system with me. Check this out. I'm looking against a dark wall, and here is how clear the view is. We can see the train on the right. The display when it's right up to your face, as if it's 215 inches of a Micro-OLED display. OLED means organic light emitting diode, which will produce this high quality display with high contrast and high viewing angles with true blacks. You can see the true blacks right here. And this is just my camera pushing through to capture what was on the lens, which could not get as close up to my face as it is when you really wear them. Here I am browsing through all the different streaming platforms I could be viewing. And if you wanted to watch music videos, of course you could. This is a search from YouTube. The streaming possibilities are infinite. For this day at the train station, I thought I'd watch some train videos. It put me in the mood for my trip, with all the inspirational scenes I hope to see on my own trip. And finding all that programming is easy with the Rokid Station, which is the world's first Google-certified portable Android TV device for these AR glasses. And more. Anywhere I'd want to go around the world, I can take this with me. So when traveling anywhere where there's internet connection, you can have whatever you want to view with you with this Rokid AR Joy 2 system. Any old hotspot will do, or train or transportation that has Wi-Fi available. And because of the speaker system being on my glasses temples, I was able to hear my train was approaching. So off I go to catch my train. It's time for my trip. So I'm jumping on, and then I'm going to hook it up to the train's Wi-Fi system. And I kind of feel awfully cool with my Rokid AR Joy 2s when at my favorite coffee spot. And I've got to do a little work. Spending time in a coffee shop is a great time for me to check out how my recent videos are doing on YouTube. This is a simple Bluetooth keyboard that I got off the internet. Any of these devices can be hooked up to the Rokid AR Joy 2 because it accepts Bluetooth pairing. This makes it really easy for me to search any of my YouTube videos on my channel, or for you to search any of the kind of programming you'd want to watch. It's nice for the compatibility feature of that Bluetooth. You could not only hook up to a keypad like this, but also earbuds, speakers, all kinds of things. And of course, the picture quality is fantastic, like it is everywhere else. I can easily read the information on my YouTube videos and what I'm typing in. Check that out. And with that 50-degree field of vision, I was able to see that I knew a friend that had come to the coffee shop, so it didn't prevent me from seeing what was going on in my environment, so I could go say hi to my friend. And the case is neat and attractive anywhere I go. It holds it all. When you order your Rokid AR Joy 2, it comes right to your door. I opened up the box, and here are the devices that came in the box. Here's a box for the Rokid Max 2 AR glasses. Here are all sides of the box. The box is a great design. These would make a great gift. To open the box, there's a tab on the bottom. I rip that off and open the top of the box. The box opens up and the top of the box has a pouch with the user manual. And the user manual is really easy to understand and extremely well illustrated, I must say. It also comes with a cleaning cloth. And here are the nose pads. They are so comfortable to wear. And here's the case for travel. And on top of the case is a loop so you can put it on your backpack or hang it from your purse. And when you open up the travel case, the glasses are inside. They even give you extra nose pads in case the ones that come in were to wear out. Here are all sides of it so you can see how well they're designed for comfort. The pads really squish, so they won't leave marks on your nose. They're comfortable. In the other pouch, there's a charging cable, with both sides being a USB-C connection. I opened up the case, I pulled the glasses out. They came wrapped so nothing would get scratched during shipping. The temples are very flexible, making them super comfortable against your head. You're not going to get a tired head or a headache. They have the perfect fit and give. Now check it on the inside. This is the myopia adjustments. It's from 0 to -6. Now, for my readers, I do a -3. This is so great that you have that type of control if you're nearsighted on each individual eye. Not even reading glasses have controls for the left and the right eye for myopia. The knob is a diopter knob. That's what you twist to adjust the focus on each of the lenses. I took off the plastic to show you the lens of the glasses. Now here's the nose pads that come already attached to your Rokid Max 2 AR glasses. I'm squishing them here so you can see how comfortable they would be on your face. This design would look good on anybody's face. I take out this box, which is the charging cables, and this is what the interior of the case looks like with a separator, so the glasses don't get scratched against anything. They have their own compartment with a mesh department on top, and that's typically where I put my cord. And the strap is secure on the case, so it's not going to break off during your travels. And right on the side of the temple is a QR code to connect it to the app. On the temples, we have the speaker, both sides. Here's a close-up of the speaker. That's where the sound comes out. And look at this special feature. This is a sensor. So when you take off the glasses, it's going to pause your streaming, your game, your video of when you take them off. You don't even have to press pause on the handheld device. It's called a proximity sensor. Rokid has made such a great design. Here I am adjusting the nose clips. The bridge of my nose is pretty thin. Here on the underside of the temples is a brightness button and a volume button. And here on the end of the left temple is a USB Type-C connector to connect to your Rokid station. Or if you wanted to, you could connect it to your computer or any other Type-C compatible device. Very interesting. This is great because I do a lot of computer work. So that option is available too, to connect it straight to your computer. I took the sticker off, and here I am taking off the blackout cover. It snaps on and off. I peeled the plastic off the lenses, and these are what the glasses look like right out of the box. The Rokid Max 2s. And here's how I packed up everything right into the travel case. Now here is the Rokid station. I opened that box up and took everything out. Here's a close-up of the Rokid station and the bottom of it for the connections. It's very sleek and lightweight. It weighs about 6 ounces. Here's the back of it with the sticker that I took off. The design of the Rokid station is very sleek. Here's a power button in red, and the bottom is the battery indicator lights to show you how much it's charged. And here's the front of it with the controls. And in this packet is a user manual. Again, very well illustrated, really easy to understand. And also in that packet is a micro HDMI to Type-C cable to hook it up to the glasses. The micro connection goes right into the station, whereas a USB-C in goes into your glasses. And this is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Here are those ends. So you have the user manual and the 2 cables that come with it. And here I am plugging in the charging cable to charge it up. And we can see the indicator light that it's charging. Downloading the app was easy. I used a QR code provided, and I went through the menus, which quickly took me to Google Play to download my Rokid app in a matter of seconds. I was in the app, and in that app was all kinds of videos and information, so I could learn more about it. I loved the way it pointed out more features and gave you more in-depth information. I was so impressed with the information on this app, so I could even learn more about my Rokid Joy 2 augmented reality glasses. So I signed in, created my account, Went to the login page. The app downloads like any other app you've ever put on your phone. And then I got to the scan page so I could scan the QR code that is on my glasses on my left temple. Success! I got the congrats menu. And then all the specs came up. It was so impressive. I even was able to download the user manual. I hadn't seen that before in an app. That was cool. And there was the manual. Yay! And after that, I connected my Rokid Max 2 AR glasses to the PlayStation. There are so many places to take your Rokid AR Joy 2 augmented reality glasses to. Whether it's traveling, like with a train, or to your favorite coffee shop, or spending time relaxing like I was today at the beach. I love these to take everywhere. I just love my Rokid AR Joy 2. Click the link below to get yours. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in live. And today's recipe is for amazing new technology, so you can watch your favorite things anywhere you want, anywhere in the world, with your Rokid AR augmented reality glasses and with the Rokid station. Your Rokid AR Joy 2 set. Now I'm going to go watch some more of my favorite videos. See you later. If you like this video, here's some more over there, including some of my recipes. So you can even cook in the kitchen following a recipe with your Rokid AR Joy 2s.